The Rubicon DX14 Electric Wheelchair is renowned for its impressive range, capable of traveling up to 30 miles on a single charge, thanks to its dual 12-ampere-hour lithium batteries. This wheelchair is equipped with dual 300-watt motors, providing exceptional torque and power to tackle various terrains and steep inclines with ease. Designed with user comfort in mind, it offers both electric and manual modes, a customizable joystick, and multiple storage compartments for added convenience. Despite its robust capabilities, the Rubicon DX14 remains lightweight and portable, folding down to just 13 inches in height and fitting easily into compact car trunks. With a tight turning radius of 32 inches, this wheelchair excels in maneuverability, making it ideal for navigating indoor spaces and tight corners. The Rubicon DX14 comes with a comprehensive warranty package and is backed by excellent customer support, ensuring peace of mind for users.